In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the ChatGPT4 desktop app for free. Or more accurately, how to create a quick desktop shortcut from your browser so you can open ChatGPT in just one click. This is a super simple method, and it works great if you want faster access without searching for the site every time. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, or any browser that supports this feature. Once your browser is open, go to ChatGPT and sign in if needed. After the ChatGPT page loads, look to the top right corner of your browser window and click the three dots menu. This opens your browser options. From that menu, hover over or click on More Tools. Depending on your browser, you may see slightly different wording, but the option should still be there. Inside that section, look for Pin To Taskbar. Click that option, and your browser will create a pin shortcut to ChatGPT on your taskbar. Once it is pinned, you can close the browser or leave it open. And from now on, you'll be able to launch ChatGPT much faster with a single click from your taskbar. This is a really convenient way to make ChatGPT feel like a desktop app, even though it is still running through your browser. It gives you quick access, saves time, and keeps everything organized right where you need it. And that's it. You've now set up ChatGPT for easy desktop-style access in just a few steps. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tech videos, and I'll see you in the next one.